Alright, in this video we are going to look at quadratic factorization, and we are going to look at two methods. The first method that I'm going to use takes into account the multiplication of the first term that is normally called A by the last term C, because this is in the form ax squared plus bx plus c. So this method that is normally called the airplane method, what we do, we multiply the a by the c. So in this case 3 times 2, which is equal to 6. And then we look for two factors of 6 that when added together will give us 7. In this case 6 and 1 will give us 7. So what do we do? This term here, this 3x squared, we write it as 3x multiplied by 3x here, and this 6 and this 1 is written inside of the bracket now. Positive 6, positive 1. Now in the first bracket we see that there is a common factor there that could go into 3 and 6, which is 3. So we divide 3 by 3 and we get 1x or x, and when we divide 6 by 3 we get 2, and the other bracket there is nothing common, so my answer is x plus 2 by 3x plus 1. So this is the first method. The second method is what we call the box method. And with the box method, I have to factorize the same thing, 3x squared plus 7x plus 2. So I line it up with 3x squared, 2 and 7x. Now 3x squared is 3x multiplied by x, and I want to get 2 here, but when I cross multiply and sum I must get 7. So I'll make this 2 here and 1 over here, because 3x by 2 will give me 6x, and x by 1 will give me x. So 6x plus x will give me 7x. So my factors are right here. 3x plus 1 by x plus 2. So this is the second method to factorize. So let's try another sum here. 2x squared plus 5x minus 12. Method 1, 2 by minus 12 minus 24. Two factors of minus 24 that will sum to 5. Since it is negative, the larger value must be positive. I'm thinking about 8 and 3. Negative 3. 8 minus 3 will be 5. So write it as 2x squared, which is 2x by 2x, and then positive 8 minus 3. There's a common factor inside of this bracket, which is 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. So x plus 8 divided by 2, 4 by 2x minus 3. The other method now, 2x squared plus 5x minus 12. This is 2x squared minus 12 positive 5x. So 2x squared is 2x multiplied by x minus 12. I could say that that is equal to 4 by 3. Now the placement of the terms is important. So the larger must be positive. So when I cross multiply, so 4 by 2 give me 8x, and then x by minus 3 minus 3x. 8x minus 3x, 5x. So my factors, 2x minus 3 by x plus 4. So these are two methods that could be used either or. Right? to factorize the quadratic. Let's try next one. 3x squared minus 11x minus 4. Method 1 will tell me minus 4 by 3 is negative 12. Two factors of negative 12 when added together will give me minus 11. So this is negative. The larger value would be negative and the other value has to be positive to end up with negative 11 here, or negative 12, right? And I am thinking the two factors negative 12 and 1, right? So 3x written twice and minus 12, positive 1. Common factor here is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 12 divided by 3, 4. X minus 4 by 3x plus 1. The next method now, 3x squared minus 11x minus 4. Let us call the box method. 3x by x, 3x squared. Over here will be minus 4 minus 11x here. Now I want to get minus 11 and this is 4, so I am minus 4, so I'm thinking about using minus 4 by 1. So minus 4 by 3 minus 12x positive 1 minus 12 plus 1 is minus 11, so we get 3x plus 1 by x minus 4.